Today I'm going to show you how to take a micro guide eyelet off of a Johnny Morris carbonlite. This eyelet, the insert came out, so I'm just going to replace it. First we got to get it out of the epoxy and the wrapping. I'm just going to take a razor blade cutting towards the guide. You don't want to go too close and cut your rod. Just kind of shaving it out, right? Then you're just going to take it, kind of push your eyelet to a side. There should be a little thread. You can dig your nail in and just lift up that thread, pull it on off. Then if it gets hard, take a little screwdriver and just kind of push it so it breaks apart that epoxy a little bit. You can lift it. Now here, just kind of slice it just a little bit. Make sure you don't get the rod. Make sure you get it. You can get as close as you want. It don't have to be perfect. You could just wrap over. Yeah, so whatever leftover epoxy's on there, you can either kind of rub it off with your fingers or keep it on there, because you'll just be wrapping over it. That one's done. I got a couple more broken ones. You keep sliding it. Just want to bend it. This one's kind of stuck. There we go. Go. Sometimes you'll get these little threads where you could just pull off the whole thing then, without much. Just work it.
After I was done eating, I was like, wait, why are we eating this?
There we go. And then now this guide here, you can see how the whole eyelet part has come off, but there's still metal part. If you just kind of line up your knife, your blade, just cut it right down the line, right where you think your guide is. Well, you should know there's a little metal part. Just kind of scrape it all off. See this decorative wrapping? You don't have to take that off if you don't want to wrap it new or don't know how to wrap it. That decorative wrapping. Just take your guide. Just pop off. Thread right there. Okay.
The A and I finals are the same thing. You say it was hard. Last semester.
Just take it off.
I think I had like a 987 the entire time in my class, and then I got like a 97 on the final, roughly. And she sent an email to my parents, telling my parents how proud she was of me and how I worked hard to get an A. You guys have that final project thing where you have to do all the like wooden targets? Like all
So yeah, so there I could either choose to keep this decorative wrapping or choose to wrap it my own. I'm just gonna keep it because I don't have this gold wrapping. So yeah, that's all you gotta do. Replace. Now all you gotta do is replace them. Alright, thanks for watching.